Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to set the media upload quality to standard on WhatsApp Web using the latest update. If you often send photos or videos from your computer, this setting helps you balance quality with faster upload times and reduced data use. Let's jump right into the steps. First, open WhatsApp Web on your PC. You can do this by visiting the official WhatsApp site and linking your account using the QR code. Once your chats load on the screen, look at the left-hand side of the window. There, you'll see a small gear icon. It's your settings button. Go ahead and click that. Now, within the settings menu, you'll find several options like notifications, privacy, and chats. Select chats to open more settings related to your messaging experience. Inside the chats section, you'll notice a new option labeled Media Upload Quality. This is where the update comes in. Click on Media Upload Quality and you'll see three choices appear: Auto, Standard Quality, and HD Quality. Auto lets WhatsApp decide based on your network speed, while HD keeps your photos and videos in higher resolution but takes up more time and data. For a good balance of clarity and efficiency, choose Standard Quality. Once you select Standard Quality, the change is saved automatically. You don't need to restart WhatsApp Web or refresh the page. The new setting applies instantly. From now on, every photo and video you send will use Standard Upload Quality, keeping your files sharp enough to look good while saving time during uploads. And that's it. You've just updated your media upload setting to standard on WhatsApp Web. This small change can make a big difference if you frequently share content but want faster performance and smoother communication. If you found this guide helpful, stay tuned for more quick tutorials and updates that make your daily apps easier to use.